Today at Secret Super Chef we have chocolate cranberry fudge. A very simple yet very attractive and tasty fudge recipe that gets ready in a jiffy. This recipe is a winner and my folks really love it. Without much ado, let's start with the recipe. For this recipe, we are going to need 250 grams of white chocolate. Please use white chocolate, do not use the compound. The first step here is to finely chop the chocolate. Make sure the chocolate is at room temperature. If you do not want to slice the chocolate, you can even grate it or use white chocolate chips. Transfer the chocolate into a pan. Make sure the flame is on medium. This recipe easily doubles if you want to make a bigger batch. My second ingredient is 200 grams condensed milk. You can use any brand. This is my homemade condensed milk that is caramelized a little bit by cooking it a little longer. But you can use normal condensed milk here. All we have to do here is make sure the chocolate is getting melted. We don't really have to cook anything here. The whole idea of chopping or grating the chocolate was to reduce the cooking time, because if you cook the chocolate and the condensed milk a longer, your fudge will become too sticky. And in turn, the fudge, instead of becoming smooth, it will become like a rock candy. So just make sure you're just melting the chocolate and the condensed milk. If you feel the heat is too high, please switch off the flame. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now the best part is I'm going to add half a cup of dried chopped cranberries. Also add 1/4 cup of slivered salted pistachios. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of salted pumpkin seeds. The flame here is already switched off and all I'm doing is just stirring in my dry fruits. Make sure to use salted nuts here because the white chocolate and the condensed milk both are little sweet here. The fudge batter is all ready. Take a baking dish or a tin and line it with the butter paper. Transfer the fudge into the dish. Make sure you're transferring the fudge little quick because the white chocolate will start to become firm. Using a spatula, even out the edges and the top layer. Once the layer is even out thoroughly, you can add few more nuts on top. I have added 1 teaspoon of cranberry, pistachio and the sunflower seeds. Refrigerate this fudge for 30 minutes or till it firms. After almost 30 minutes, my fudge is all ready to be sliced. If you're making this a day before, you can refrigerate this fudge overnight too. But make sure before cutting, you've left the fudge outside for 10-15 minutes. Since we have used the butter paper, it's very easy to remove the fudge. So make sure to use a butter paper or grease your baking dish thoroughly. Since my fudge is cold, I'm going to use a warm knife to slice it. Just dip a knife in hot water for 5-7 minutes and it'll become very easy to slice the fudge. Make sure the knife is warm and not very hot. These cranberry chocolate fudge are a major part of my Christmas hampers and everybody just loves them. If you do not want to get into the mess of cutting and chopping the fudge, you can use nice fancy silicone molds, fill the fudge into it and individually, you'll have nice cute little fudge bites. You can also use your fancy chocolate molds here. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section if you've tried our fudge recipe. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my recipes, do like and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you.